An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his boss of his plans to leave the house-building business, to live a more leisurely life with his family. The boss was sorry to see his good worker go, and asked if he could build just one last house as a personal favor. The carpenter said yes, but his heart wasn't in it. He resorted to shoddy workmanship and used inferior materials. It was an unfortunate way to end a dedicated career. He cut corners, hurried the work, and didn't care about the details. When the carpenter finished his work, his boss came to inspect the house. Then, he handed the front door key to the carpenter and said, "This is your house, my gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. What a shame. If he had only known he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. So it is with us. We build our lives a day at a time. Then, with a shock, we realize we have to live in the house we have built. Life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and the choices you make today build the house you will live in tomorrow. Build wisely.